The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Google Fi. So I'm on the website here, and today I'm going to be talking about their new plan, which they have now a unlimited data plan now as of Tuesday. So this is really cool. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead check it out. It's available now to check out if you're a new customer or an existing customer of Project Fi. So check it out. I see you guys here that I'm in the plans page here. So there it is, right here, unlimited for one. So for one line, it's $70. You will have to pay extra for taxes and fees, of course, if you keep it in mind. So one line, it's $70. You can have up to 6 lines here. So 2 lines is 60. So 2 lines is 120. 3 lines 150, 4 lines 180, 5 lines 225, and 6 lines is 270 a month for 6 lines, right? So, you know, that's not too bad, I guess, you know. So this is really cool. You guys get unlimited calls, text, and data, of course. That is a one. So the first one obviously is unlimited data. High-speed data up to 20 gigabytes person, and so after video may be streamed at DVD quality, which is 480p, so do keep it in mind. So I don't know if they're going to prioritize it there at the 20 gigs or slow it down. So, it says the unlimited plan comes with a high-speed 4G LTE data. Video quality may be reduced to DVD quality 480p. Individual who uses more than 20 gigabytes of data per cycle will experience slower data speed until the next billing cycle. If they want to return to faster data before the cycle's end, they can do so at the rate of $10 per gigabyte. Alright. So I'm guessing they filtered your data at the 20 gigs, I guess. So they keep that in mind. I'm guessing they followed the 2G. But it's not really specified, but it's just slower speeds at the 20 gigs, so I'm assuming that they thought of your data at the 20 gigs. So just keep that in mind, right? And then you have free data and text while traveling, so you get international data and text included, so that is a win. It says the unlimited plan includes high speed data and text around the world, no extra charge and no extra setup. Before you travel, make sure that your destination is on our list of covered countries. So do check that before you guys are traveling somewhere, so you know that you're covered. So check that beforehand, right? So you do get that. You also get free calls to 50 plus countries and territories. Call to all other destinations start at 1 cent per minute. The unlimited plan includes long distance calls to over 50 destinations such as India, the UK, and Mexico. No extra charge in the setup. This only covers calls to standard non-premium mobile numbers. Wide network policy and acceptable use policy apply. Included destinations can be changed without notice. Want to call somewhere that's not on the list? No problem. You can still call other countries at low rates, starting at 1 cent per minute. You do get Google One membership included with your plan here, so that is pretty cool. So if you guys don't know what Google One is, Google One is a cloud service. So check it out, it's really cool. Y'all got some great benefits with that. So it says here more space for everything with 100. Yeah, it says more space with everything with 100 gigabytes of cloud storage for each member and more. Alright. So it says here get more out of Google with a Google One membership. That's a $199 a month value, so that's included in your plan. Included with your Fi plan and everything. Cost $72 a month, and you get 100 gigabytes of Google One cloud storage each month. So that is a one. It says more storage for all your memory. Skip more space for everything with 100 gigabytes. So cloud storage across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. With all of your stuff stored safely in the cloud, you can find what you need from any device anywhere. Alright. So that's really nice. Extra member benefits. Get access to support from Google experts and special offers like discounts on Google products, preferred hotel prices, and more. Your phone always backed up. If it's on your phone, it's important to you. Keep all your stuff, photos, contacts, messages, and more automatically back up with Google One. And if you break or lose your phone, Google One has you covered. Seamlessly restore everything to your new phone and you're good to go. So that is a win. So Google One is worth checking out. It is included with your plan on the new plan from Google Fi. It's included, so you get 100 gigabytes each month, so take advantage of that. And of course the basics with this plan, of course, you get unlimited calls and texts, of course, low rates for calls while traveling internationally, mobile hotspot, a contract cancel anytime, 24/7 human to human customer support. So that is a win right there. So what do you guys say that Google has announced a new unlimited plan for Google Fi? It's available now. Just check it out. So if you guys are looking to switch to Google Fi, this is the plan we're checking out. If you guys are a current customer of Google Fi, check out this plan. It has great features with the hotspot. You do get Google One included, internet, texting, and data. So check it out, and it's worth checking out. So yeah, for $70 for one line, it's not bad because you're getting a lot for $70. Like I said, you're getting Google One included, which is Google's cloud service. So you're getting a lot for $70. So check it out if you guys are interested. It's available now, and they announced it on Tuesday. So check it out. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are listening now, like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.